Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use CTrader for beginners. Opening CTrader for the first time can feel like stepping into a cockpit. Lots of buttons, charts moving, and you're just trying to figure out where to start without pressing the wrong thing. What I usually do is begin by installing the app or opening the web version, then creating a CTrader ID with a secure email and password. Once inside, you land on a dashboard where everything lives: watch lists, positions, orders, and charts all in one place. I like to start by exploring the watch list, adding a couple of pairs I actually recognize, then opening a chart to see how prices move. When I'm ready, I use a demo account to place a small trade. Nothing serious, just getting used to how buying and selling works. I'll set a stop loss and take profit, just to understand risk control early on. Quick tip: don't rush into real trading. Spend time practicing on demo first. It's always cheaper to make mistakes there than in the real life. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.